Hello, I'm Matthew Montgomery with Revolve Engineering. For the past 2 semesters, our senior design team has worked with the Tennessee Department of Transportation on a roadway widening, alignment, and bridge replacement project on AFG Road in Churchill, Tennessee. Due to the deteriorating condition of the existing bridge and non-compliance of the roadway with TDOT standards, the bridge crossing must be replaced and the adjoining sections of the roadway must be widened and realigned. Working with our mentors from TDOT and the University of Tennessee, we have developed plans for the replacement of the bridge crossing and the widening and realignment of adjoining sections of AFG Road.
One positive outcome for the public that is served by our design is increased safety compared to the existing layout. The existing bridge is structurally deficient and has tight lane widths, which make it unsafe for multi-axle vehicles to transport products to and from the AGC flat glass plant located south of our project's location. The proposed bridge features wider travel lanes and shoulders, which increase safety for single and multi-axle vehicles.
One challenging aspect in the structural design of the project was the physical constraint of the railroad on site. The railroad right-of-way directly impacted the pier placement, which was a determining influence of the midspan and the overall bridge length. This detail, as well as the vertical clearance of the bridge above the railroad tracks, factored into the beam selection, an integral component of the bridge superstructure. The challenge created by the existing railroad governed the structural design process and was instrumental in our growth as a team.
The past semester has been a very unique experience, to say the least, and I believe that our team and our class as a whole is very resilient in completing this project under the circumstances.
I gained real-world experiences to this project that you don't really get in other classes.
So one of the experiences that I had in CE 400 that will translate to the working world is disciplinary communication and the knowledge of how to learn new software and new technology efficiently in order to complete a project.
I'm finally able to take the things I've learned from school and internships and put it into engineering documents that I design.
I am fortunate to have been part of a team with such great communication and eagerness to help one another. Working alongside peers with diverse engineering disciplines has prepared me to achieve productive collaboration with others in the profession.